Good morning children. In today's class we are going to start the new chapter, Applications of Differentiation. All that we had learnt in chapter 5, the various formula and the methods of differentiation, we will recall here and link it with certain new terms related to our business mathematics. Revenue. The income that we get, we term revenue, denote as capital R. Expenditure, the cost, that we denote as capital C. Once I know revenue and cost, naturally I should know what is profit, we term as P. Profit is nothing but revenue minus cost. Now, as we purchase, we should know price per unit. So, the price per unit we term as small p. Notice capital P stands for profit and small p stands for price per item. Quantity we call as X or small q. Some problems we denote it as X and some problems we denote it as Q. Price also, some problems we denote as Y also. Average cost, average revenue, average profit. The word average tells divide by X because quantity that we got is X. X quantity that cost tells me per quantity, how should I get it? So the word average, every time remember divide by X. Average cost, cost divide by X. Average revenue, revenue divide by X. Average profit, profit divide by X. This average revenue is total income divided by the quantity, that is also equal to small p. Price per unit item. So small p is also termed as average revenue. The next word that we relate to differentiation is marginal. Whenever I need to know marginal, remember differentiate. Marginal cost. Cost is C. Marginal tells me differentiate. dC by dx. Marginal revenue. Revenue tells me capital R. Marginal tells me differentiate. D by dx. I can also denote it as R dash of x. Similarly, marginal cost I can also denote C dash of x, where dash represents differentiation. Marginal average cost. What is average cost? That is AC. Marginal tells me differentiate. So d by dx of AC I call marginal average cost. In all the problems, cost is given in terms of sum x cube, x square, 5x plus 7. As I read it, this is a function of x, which I call variable cost. And this is a constant, which I call fixed cost. So, cost mostly comes in two types. Variable cost, as I change x, cost varies. So, as I put x1, one answer, x2, another answer. So, changing x, varying x, cost varies. So, it is variable cost. But 7 does not change whatever may be x value. 7 I call fixed cost. Let us proceed into exercise problems. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. A firm produces X tons of output at a total cost of C of X is equal to 1 by 10 x cube minus 4x squared minus 20x plus 7. Find average cost, average variable cost, average fixed cost, marginal cost and marginal average cost functions. The given question as we take C of X. Average cost, the formula is C by X. Every term divide by X. X cube by X, X square by X, X by X cancels, giving us only the 20 here already. 7 by X. This we call average cost. Variable cost. As I read the problem, all that is with X, I will call variable cost. The constant, I will call fixed cost. Now my question is average variable cost. Variable cost divide by X. As I divide, X cube by X, X square by X, X by X cancels. The number, the symbols write as it is. Average fixed cost. In cost, the constant is called fixed cost. Divide by X, we get average fixed cost. The next one is marginal. As I read the word marginal, remember we must differentiate. MC tells me dC by dx. D by dx of, write the cost function. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. X cube becomes 3x square becomes 2x, x becomes 1, constant becomes 0. The coefficient and symbols write as it is. Let us simplify. It is 3x square by 10 minus 8x minus 20. Marginal average cost tells us average cost I must differentiate. Marginal differentiate. Differentiate what? Average cost. Average cost we have written here. Copy that. This we must differentiate. X square becomes 2x. X becomes 1. 7 by x. Keep 7 as it is. 1 by x. Let us recall the formula. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. As we simplify, x by 5 minus 4 minus 7 by x square is the marginal average cost. Question number 2. The total cost of x units of output of a firm is given by C equals 2 by 3x plus 35 by 2. Find cost when the output is 4 units. Find average cost when the output is 10 units and marginal cost when the output is 3 units. Cost when x is equal to 4. The output we call as x. So when x is equal to 4, C equals, just to substitute, 2 by 3 into 4 plus 35 by 2. 8 by 3 plus 35 by 2. Taking LCM, cross multiplying, it is 16 plus 105 by 6 or 121 by 6. As we calculate cost, let us proceed on to average cost. Average cost is C by x. C is 2 by 3x plus 35 by 2 divided by x, or 2 by 3 x by x cancels plus 35 by 2x. When x is equal to 10, AC equals 2 by 3 plus 35 by 2 into 10. As we cancel by 5 table, we get 2 by 3 plus 7 by 4. Taking LCM, 12. 8 plus 21, that gives us 29 by 12. Proceeding to marginal cost, it is differential of cost. So differentiate with respect to x, 2 by 3x plus 35 by 2. As I differentiate, 2 by 3 into x becomes 1, 35 by 2 is a constant, that becomes 0. MC equals 2 by 3. Let us take and write the answer. Cost is rupees 121 by 6. Average cost is rupees 29 by 12 and marginal cost is rupees 2 by 3, and that is the answer. Question number 3. Given R the revenue function, C the cost function as R equals 14x minus x square and C equals x into x square minus 2. Find average cost, marginal cost, average revenue and marginal revenue functions. Given C, x into x square minus 2. Let us multiply x into x square x cube minus x into 2, 2x. Average cost tells me C by x. AC equals x cube minus 2x by x. Every term, let us divide by x. X cube by x, x square minus 2. X by x is 1. So, average cost is x square minus 2. The next idea, marginal cost. Marginal cost is dc by dx or MC equals d by dx of x cube minus 2x. As I differentiate, x cube becomes 3x square minus 2 as it is, x becomes 1 or MC equals 3x square minus 2. R is given, I need to find average revenue, that is revenue divided by x or 14x by x is 14 minus x square by x is x. So that is average revenue. Marginal revenue tells us to differentiate R. D by dx of 14x minus x square. MR equals 14 into x becomes 1 minus x square becomes 2x. MR equals 14 minus 2x, and that is the answer. Question number 7. Demand curve. P equals 50 minus x by 5. We need to find out marginal revenue. Before that, what is revenue formula? It is P into x. 50x minus x square by 5. Now I want to find out marginal revenue. The word marginal tells me differentiate, or I will say dr by dx. As I differentiate revenue, 50 into x becomes 1 minus x square becomes 2x divided by 5. Once I know marginal revenue, the question is at x is equal to 0. So marginal revenue is 50 minus 2x by 5. At x is equal to 0, MR equals 50 minus 2 into 0 by 5, or it is 10. At x is equal to 25, MR equals 50 minus 2 into 25 by 5. 2 into 25, 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. 0 by 5 equals 0. So when x is 0, MR equals 10. When x is 25, MR equals 0, and that's the answer. Question number 12. The demand function small p is given. As I read the demand function, I must know the formula for revenue, which is P into x. 200 minus x by 100 into x gives me 200x minus x square by 100. Cost is mentioned as C, that is 40x plus 120. Given P is the unit price, that is price per item in rupees, and X is the quantity, the number of units produced and sold. We need to find the profit function. Profit, we denote capital P, that is R minus C. R is 200x minus x square by 100 minus 40x plus 120. Or I get profit equals 200x minus x square by 100 minus 40x minus 120. As we simplify, it is capital P equals 200x minus 40x is 160x minus x square by 100 minus 120. We write x square term first and then x term, finally the constant. Profit function is the first subdivision and that is over. Second subdivision, we need average profit. How to get average profit? Whatever is the profit, divide by x. Or I get minus x square by 100 plus 160x minus 120, the whole thing by x. As I divide, minus x by 100 plus 160 x and x cancels, minus 120 by x. Given x value is 10. Average profit equals minus 10 by 100 plus 160 minus 120 by 10. Simplifying, we get LCM 10 minus 1 plus 1600 minus 120, or it is 1479 by 10, that is 147.9. The next idea, we need to find marginal profit. The word marginal tells me differentiate. So marginal profit, let us write MP d by dx of profit function minus x square by 100 plus 160x minus 120. MP equals minus x square becomes 2x by 100 plus 160 into x will become 1, constant becomes 0. It is minus x by 50 plus 160. As I substitute x equal to 10, I get marginal profit equals minus 10 by 50 plus 160. Cancelling LCM, I get minus 1 plus 800. That is 799 by 5 rupees. The next idea, I need to find out marginal average profit. What is that? The word marginal tells me differentiate. So marginal average profit is d by dx of average profit. Average profit is minus x by 100 plus 160 minus 120 by x. It is MAP, marginal average profit, equals minus x becomes 1 when I differentiate by 100 as it is. 160 constant becomes 0 minus 120 into 1 by x when I differentiate minus 1 by x square. Or I get minus 1 by 100 plus 120 by x square. Again, x is given to be 10 units. So marginal average profit equals minus 1 by 100 plus 120 by 10 square is 100. That is 119 by 100, or I can say 1.19 rupees. Let us tabulate the answers. Profit function, the first subdivision, P equals 200x minus x square by 100 minus 40x minus 120. Average profit, the second subdivision, average profit is rupees 147.90. Marginal profit, as we simplify this, it is rupees 159.80. Marginal average profit is rupees 1.19, and that's the answer. Question number 13. Find the values of x when marginal function of y equals x cube plus 10x square minus 48x plus 8 is twice the x. Given y, marginal function of y, the word marginal tells differentiate y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Y becomes dy by dx as I differentiate. X cube is 3x square plus 10 into x square is 2x minus 48 into x becomes 1 plus 8 constant becomes 0, or dy by dx equals 3x square plus 20x minus 48. Given marginal function of y is twice the x, that is dy by dx equals to 2x. What is dy by dx? 3x square plus 20x minus 48 equals to 2x. Bringing to the same side, 3x square plus 20x minus 48 minus 2x is 0, or 3x square plus 20x minus 2x is 18x minus 48 equals to 0. Every term is divisible by 3, divide by 3. X square plus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Factorizing for x, it is 8 2s are 16. I need plus 6 in the middle. So plus 8 minus 2. I get x plus 8 into x minus 2, 0, or x is equal to minus 8, 2. The question is to find the values of x. So the values of x is minus 8 and 2. Question number 14. The total cost function y for x units is given. Show that marginal cost decreases continuously as the output x increases. What is y given? Y equals, let us multiply and write it. 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 7, 21x divided by x plus 5 plus 5. My question is about MC. What is MC? dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? It is dy by dx equals to d by dx of first function 3x square plus 21x by x plus 5. The second function is a constant which becomes 0. To differentiate this, let us remember, treat the numerator as u, that is 3x square plus 21x. Treat the denominator as v, that is x plus 5. Find out u dash. 3 into x square becomes 2x plus 21 into x becomes 1, or u dash is 6x plus 21. V dash x becomes 1. Let us remember the formula. U by v the whole dash is vu dash minus uv dash by v square. dy by dx equals to vu dash. V is x plus 5. U dash is 6x plus 21 minus uv dash 3x square plus 21x into 1. The whole thing divided by v square. What is v? X plus 5, the whole square. Or simplifying the numerator, x into 6x, x into 21, 5 into 6x, 5 into 21, minus 3x square minus 21x. Denominator x plus 5 the whole square. Again, I can connect all the x square terms. 6x square minus 3x square is 3x square. plus 21x minus 21x gets cancelled, plus 30x plus 105 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. In all the terms, 3 is common, so I can write x square plus 10x plus 35 divided by x plus 5 the whole square. Now this is actually the marginal cost, but I need to show some result. To show that result, rewrite the numerator like the denominator. So how am I to write it? Dy by dx equals to 3 into. Here x square plus 10x is there. 10 by 2 is what? 5. Add 5 square, subtract 5 square, and then write the last term. We try to write numerator like the denominator. Here I have x plus 5 the whole square. 10x I can write 10 by 2 as 5. Add 5 square, subtract 5 square. Now connect these 3 terms and these 2 terms. What formula? It is dy by dx equals to 3 into a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is x plus 5 the whole square, minus 5 square is 25 plus 35 the whole thing divided by x plus 5 the whole square. Or to write it further, let me split. Now numerator, there are 2 terms connecting these two. 35 minus 25 is 10. So I have dy by dx equals to 3 into x plus 5 the whole square plus 35 minus 25 is 10. There are 2 terms in the numerator. Denominator single term, that is x plus 5 the whole square. We can rewrite this dy by dx equals to 3 into first term by denominator x plus 5 the whole square by x plus 5 the whole square plus second term by denominator 10 by x plus 5 the whole square, or dy by dx equals to 3 into, cancelling the same term, I get 1 plus 10 by x plus 5 the whole square. Now this is a constant, this is a constant. Where is x coming? In the denominator. So if I increase x, my total answer, that is MC, will decrease. So I get MC decreases continuously. Just write the statement. MC decreases continuously as x increases. Why do I say? Because x comes in the denominator. If I keep on increasing the denominator, my ultimate answer will decrease. And so this ultimate answer is nothing but marginal cost. Dy by dx is nothing but marginal cost. So marginal cost decreases as x, the output increases, and hence the problem. Question number 16. Find the equilibrium price and quantity for the following functions. Given demand and supply. Demand function x is equal to 100 minus 2p, and the supply function x is equal to 3p minus 15. The word equilibrium tells demand equals supply. So at equilibrium, 100 minus 2p equals 3p minus 50. Bringing p terms to same side, numbers to the other side. Minus 2p minus 3p is minus 50 minus 100. Minus 5p is minus 150. P equals minus 150 by minus 5, that is 30. Once I know P value equals 30, substitute it in either demand or supply. So x is equal to 3p minus 15. 3 into 30 minus 50 or 90 minus 50, that is 40. Take and write the answer. Equilibrium quantity is 40 and equilibrium price is P, that is 30. Question number 17. The demand and cost functions of a firm are x is equal to 6000 minus 30p, c equals 72,000 plus 60x respectively. Find the level of output and price at which profit is maximum. Given x is equal to 6000 minus 30p. The question is about profit. What is profit? Capital P is R minus C. C is given directly in the question. How are we to find R? R is not mentioned, but I know R equals P into X. So what is P? Find out from here. Rearranging the equation, bring 30p to the left, x to the right. What is P? 6000 minus x by 30. I want revenue, which is P into x. I can simplify this. 6000 by 30 is 200 minus x by 30. As I multiply by x, 200x minus x square by 30. What is profit? Revenue minus cost. That is P equals 200x minus x square by 30 minus 72,000 plus 60x. As we simplify this, P equals, we will write this term first, minus x square by 30 plus 200x minus 72,000 minus 60x, or it is minus x square by 30. 200x minus 60x is 140x minus 72,000. The question is, profit is maximum. P is maximum if first derivative P dash is 0 and second derivative P double dash is less than 0 at some x value. As I find out the first derivative, x squared becomes 2x by 30 plus 140 into x becomes 1, constant becomes 0. Or we get P dash equals minus x by 15 plus 140. Given P dash is 0, implies minus x by 15 plus 140 0, or minus x by 15 is minus 140. X is equal to minus minus cancels. 140 into 15, that is 2100. Once I know x value, let me find out what is P double dash to check whether it is maximum value. P double dash, here let me differentiate again. Minus x becomes 1 by 15 plus 140 becomes 0. P double dash is negative. This tells me P is maximum. Maximum when? What value I got? At x is equal to 2100. When x is 2100, we need to find the price also. What is price formula? It is 200 minus x by 30. 200 minus 2100 by 30, or it is P equals 200 minus 70, that is 140. So profit is maximum at x is equal to 2100 and P equal to rupees 140, and that is the answer. 18th question, the cost function of a firm is given. Find the level of output at which average cost is minimum. C equals x cube minus 12x square plus 48x. Average cost is C by x. As we divide x cube minus 12x square plus 48x by x, every term divide by x. X cube by x, x square minus 12, x square by x, x plus 48, x by x gets cancelled. The question is, average cost is minimum. AC is minimum if the first derivative is 0 and the second derivative is positive at some x value. Find out AC dash. X square becomes 2x minus 12 into x becomes 1. What is AC double dash? 2x becomes 2, 12 becomes 0, or I will say only 2, that is definitely greater than 0, implies AC is minimum. Now I must know the x value. Substitute AC dash equals to 0. 2x minus 12, 0. 2x equals 12 or x is equal to 6. So AC is minimum at x is equal to 6. The question is level of output at which AC is minimum. It is 6.